bright future about. So I choose MOKSH because well good teachers are there to teach like in an online, and everything the faculty and the everything are in a good way. And also they are also like after this session completes we get the notes what has been came by the notes also we can read. And during the session hours if any problem is also there, they're able to contact like when we are like watching this session, like listening the session. So if any disturbance or if the voice is not being hearable, and every as we the session completes how the lecturer has been said, easy going in a good manner, the stepwise, and coming to the notes and everything, it's good. And when the session begins, and if anything they are also informing us in a time to time manner.